This year has been a really great year for Domin. Our sales have more than doubled this year, highlighting the industry's belief in Domin's new technology and how our products are bringing game-changing opportunities for people. We have signed an exclusive partnership with the America's Cup racing team Ineos Britannia. This showcases our valves in the harshest of environments in race conditions. Our revolutionary rotary servo valve patent was granted globally this year. In March, we attended our first trade show, Hannover Messe. It was a great opportunity to tell the world about our amazing story. We won funding as part of a £36 million project with the Aerospace Technology Institute and Airbus. This funding will help us develop our next generation aerospace technology. In the summer, we combined 3 of our existing facilities into one, reshoring our manufacturing to the UK and setting ourselves up for global expansion. As part of our rapid expansion plans, we invested in a metal additive manufacturing machine from Renishaw, the Renishaw 500 Cube. This allows us to scale our manufacturing to tens of thousands of metal components every year. We developed a brand new partnership with YASA Mercedes to develop our next generation of active suspension systems, securing £4.5 million funding to develop late-stage prototypes. We've expanded across all areas of the business, bringing in some amazing people to join us on our journey. It has been an incredible year for Domin. I cannot wait to see what 2024 brings for us.